welcome to my channel. I'm here to share with you guys my CVS haul. But the first thing I want to mention to you guys is right now we have holiday shopping on our mind. We have Christmas shopping, we have just everything on saving money, and I want to tell you guys, if you have not joined, you want to do FLEEBIES. FLEEBIES is a cash back app. So let's say you're gonna go to CVS like I did today, and my total comes to like 10 bucks. Okay, let's just do 10 bucks. Now if you join, you get 3 vouchers with the FLEEBIES app, or you get up to 35% cash back when you have a voucher. So a voucher just is kind of like a boost. So we're going to open the FLEEBIES app, and I'm going to share with you guys what you can do. So what happens is you're just going to go to CVS, and they are one of the voucher stores. So if you buy a $10 gift card at CVS, you actually will get $10 back, and then you'll get 35% cash back, which is up to $3.50. So you'll get so you get 35% cash back up to $10, which is $3.50, and then you'll get 4.5% for anything after that. So all you'll do is you just go to the store. We're gonna do a $10 gift card. We'll get it'll show up as a digital CVS gift card. It's like basically an instant gift card that you get with the app. So what you do is you put your credit card information in the app. Then what you're going to do is you go to the CVS option or whatever store you're choosing. You choose the store that you choose the balance that you want. So if you just do 10, it'll basically say that I get 10% cash back, so I'll get $3.50 back. Plus I think I get the so I'll get the $33.50 back. So then technically my total came out to be $6.50 for my $10 order purchase. So that's a great deal. So if you guys have not used FLEEBIES, I definitely have a referral link below that you guys will get it, and when you do click my link, you will get 3 vouchers. So there's tons of different vouchers. There is Dunkin' Donuts where you get up to 35%. Uber Eats, you get 25. DoorDash, you get 20. Domino's, 35. You can even do Spotify, Chipotle, Hulu is one I'm going to be doing in a couple days, so you guys want to definitely check that one out. But you get 15% cash back. There's Steak and Shake, Papa John's, so there's a ton of different stores. Otherwise, if there's not like any of the voucher stores, like right now we're going to go to Bath and Body Works. Bath and Body Works, you get 4% cash back. So let's just type this. We're just going to click on Bath and Body Works real quick. I'm going to say I'm going to spend $25 at Bath and Body Works. Okay, we're gonna hit continue. I'll end up, I get 2% for the Bath and Body Works, so I'll end up getting just 50 cents. It says earn up to 4%, so I'll just get 50 cents cash back. But hey, if you guys know, if you shop at a ton of stores, it adds up. It really adds up. So definitely check out FLEEBIES. They're an awesome app. I cannot stop recommending it. But definitely do the CVS. If you guys are shopping at CVS and you're paying money, get a gift card. What I end up doing is I'll get a $10 gift card, or depends on what I have. But I will get a $10 gift card, and you guys know how we coupon. That $10 can go a long way. So definitely use that. So you can always just have it pre-ready before you're at the store, or you can do it at the store. But if you guys click my referral link, you get 3 vouchers. But definitely click that, because I'm going to share with you guys a whole lot more deals to do with that in in a week or so with that app. But let's just stop talking and get to the breakdown. So I ended up getting this micro gold. My store had the monofoil, but now it's the micro gold. This was $9.99. You would pay $9.99 for it, but then there is a $9 extra care buck that you get back, making it just 99 cents. So yes, I ended up getting the Nivea Men Shave. Now these were $5.19. I had a 3 off of 6, was it Nivea Shave CRT. Paid $7.38, but you get $5 back when you buy 2. Comes out to be just $2.38 or $1.19. So $1.19 for these is a pretty decent deal. My husband likes the Nivea stuff out of all of them. So yes. But now I'm going to share with you guys my other bag. So I ended up doing the Irish Spring. Now the Irish Spring was $3.99. I used 2 paper coupons for $1, and then I actually received a 2 off of 2 CRT last week. And I received a 2 off of 2 CRT for this week. So my total came to $1.98. But every one that you buy, you get a $2 extra care buck. So I got $2 back and $2 back. So my grand total for both of these came out to be a $2.02 moneymaker. I got those for free and I made some money. So excited. So I've been actually really starting to use these like crazy. Like these are just perfect, not for just food or not for makeup, but they're good for crafting. But these were all 2 for $7. So they come out to be $3.50 each. I had a 2 off of, what did I have? I had a 2 off of 6 Beauty 360 CRT, so I ended up using that. So I paid $8.50. But then when you spend 10, you get a $5 extra care buck. Used to be 3, now it's a 5. So this ends up becoming a $3.50 or just $1.16 each. I wonder if these are going to be the freebies for Black Friday. It was like that last year, and my store just got a ton of them, so I wonder if that's going to be a Black Friday item. Not sure. But my store hit 75% off for Halloween, and I've been eyeing this up like crazy, you guys. It is a Hocus Pocus pillow sham. A pillowcase. Just one of them, but I absolutely love it. So this was $1.75. I'm like, I'm buying it. Because I don't know if it'll be there next week when I go there. Because like they were 75% off. So we'll see. If the next one's back there when I come back again next week, then I might get it. I'll have the set. I ended up getting the Ricola cough drops. Here's Paris. Everybody say hi to Paris. Yes. I got the Ricola. These were 2 for $5. I had a $1 off a 2 digital coupon, and then I had a $1.50 off CRT. Paid $2.50, but with checkout 51, you get 65 cents each for purchasing these. So I got $1.30 back with checkout 51. So my total came to be just $1.20. That's 60 cents each. If you guys want to go ahead and get some Ricola. Anybody remember that? Yeah. Okay. So I ended up getting my freebie. It wasn't, okay, so here's the thing. When we were shopping in Virginia with the girls, they're all talking about they want to get their freebie. I did not have that in my app. It didn't show up until like this morning. I don't think it was even there yesterday. But I ended up getting a freebie. My store did not have any of the hair ties, which is fine because I like using the puffy ones more than the elastic ones. So I ended up getting this. This was $4.19. It is the Glow Up. It's an animated unicorn face mask infused with shimmery rainbow pearl. Yeah. I'm like, am I smelling that or I'm smelling the cats? But, so I got this for free with my freebie. Then in my app this morning, I ended up getting a free snack CRT. So I ended up getting these. We are having a Christmas party in a couple weeks. And why not get some food for the snacks? So these were 2 for $6. 2 for $6. I used that $3 off a freebie. I ended up using this CRT and the beauty CRT by itself because I wanted to make sure I got it for those items that I wanted it to be in. So $3 for the CRT, and then I had a $1 off a 2 CRT that came from the Red Machine automatically. So I got these for $2 or just $1 a bag. So that was a great deal. And again, those are going to be for my ugly sweater party that I will be having in a couple weeks. I ended up getting the paparazzi. A lot of you guys have agreed with me. I think they either might be getting rid of that paparazzi display and they might be like revamping it. I know they just changed these because they didn't have, I know they changed the bottles were recently changed, but I don't know what's going on. But make sure you guys are price checking them because my store did have a bunch on clearance, and you want to make sure you don't get the ones on clearance. So 2 of these are 2 for $5. You want to buy 2 of them, you pay $5, but then you get a $5 extra care buck, making these free. But for the last couple weeks, they've been on sale, and there is a limited 2, so you guys can get 4 of them for free. So you spend $10 and you get $10 back. But again, make sure you price check the Paris. Make sure you price check the prices, and also just keep track. I have a feeling something's going on. I don't know if they're getting rid of paparazzi completely. My store doesn't carry the cosmetic line at all, so I'm not sure exactly what's going on, but I did want to share with you guys on that. And then I ended up getting, I got 2 more deals for you guys. I ended up doing the Baby Ruth and Butterball Butterfinger. Nobody touched my Butterfinger BBs. These were $1.39 regular price. I ended up getting $2 off of 3 CRTs, and I got 2 of them. So I ended up getting all 3 of these for 17 cents. 17 cents. Now, I did not have Ibotta rebates for these at all. I used mine up already, or they ended, so I didn't get that, but I'm like 17 cents for 3 of them. And then I got this easy freebie. So this was $2.59. I ended up having a $2 app coupon for $2 off. So I paid 59 cents for this, but there is a $1.75 rebate with Ibotta. So this comes out to be a $1.16 moneymaker. Yes, I always need so many plugins and not the plugs, but it came out to be a moneymaker. I will take it. So my grand total came to $5.86. So look at that. If you guys bought a $10 gift card, you'd use that $5.86, but you get the $3.50 back. You know, that's a great deal. I used $37. Yeah, I used 70. I used $37 worth of extra care box, but I only received 30 back, or 33 back. I received $1.75 back with Ibotta, and I will be receiving a $1.30 with Checo 51. So my grand total came to be $6.81. I got 22 items at just 30 cents each. So I will have the pictures of all the CRTs and everything that I use, but I just wanted to share with you guys my CVS haul. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys check out Flues. Again, thank you all for subscribing to my channel. I just hit 50,000 the other day. I will be doing some giveaways in the next couple weeks once I get everything all situated from our little trip from Richmond the other day with all us couponers. I'm just a little busy, plus I have a craft show coming up in a couple weeks, so I'm just crazy busy, but I will be doing some giveaways, and I'm definitely going to be doing some of those reusable bags because I got a whole basket full of them that I got. So I'm just petting my cat if you guys are wondering what's going on. But anyways, thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Again, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye!